Welcome back. Lesson 8, Traders Meeting. I'm going to discuss how the traders meet at the financial marketplace. And this is fundamental for you to fully understand how to build your best strategy for day trading. 1. Imagine that you are in year 1800 and you are a retail trader. The only way for you to be able to trade, you will have to go to the financial marketplace in person. And right there, in front of the buyers and the sellers and the market makers, when you hear the price of the item you're trying to buy or sell, you have to make a decision for yourself whether you're going to buy or sell right there on the spot. And if you see other buyers increasing the price because they want to get it, but they're not enough sellers, you're listening to it. And if you wanted to buy, speculating what the price will be later, or if you already own the product, you wanted to sell it, speculating what the price will be later. There were no computers back then. There were no charts. There were no studies in front of them before they make a decision. They definitely didn't have a moving average. None of them traded using any type of historical data to speculate about the future price. They didn't have that. They formed their own personal beliefs and decision-making skills, and they executed on them. And that's how they traded. Now, if back then the traders make decisions based on the price they saw in person, and the fundamentals of the financial market hasn't changed, don't you want to be in the meeting with the traders, seeing exactly what they're agreeing to? Think about it. The buyer wants to buy at a certain price. The seller wants to sell at a certain price. They come to an agreement. Don't you want to hear that agreement right there in real time? Or do you want to hear the agreement that took place a week ago, or 5 days ago, or half an hour ago? Or do you care more about what the agreement is right now happening in front of you? You care more of what's happening in front of you, so you can speculate about the future action and make the correct decision for yourself. So I just wanted to explain that when you're thinking about other traders being involved in the financial marketplace, just think about situating yourself in the middle of the financial marketplace, listening to the prices being yelled back and forth between buyers and sellers, and the final decision being made right there on the spot. Now, just to be honest, clearly in the year 1800, 1900, we weren't talking about millions of traders in one place. Nowadays, that's exactly what's happening in the computer, right? Computer platform, the electronic exchanges. It's millions and millions of traders in the same place. It's just done electronically. But even if it's being done electronically, don't you want to be in the room with them? Or do you want to go to a separate room and just look at the chart from the past? Something to think about going forward as we explore in more detail how retail traders can improve their edge in the financial marketplace. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you like the content of the video, smash that like. On to the next one.